Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV11 is making a strange noise, it can be quite concerning. This issue often arises due to a malfunctioning motor or a blockage within the device. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage and potentially more costly repairs. Therefore, it's essential to tackle the problem promptly to ensure your vacuum continues to operate effectively. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor specific to the Dyson SV11, and a pair of tweezers. Remember to wear safety gloves to protect your hands during the process. Begin by ensuring your Dyson SV11 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully use the screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. Set these screws aside in a safe place to prevent losing them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off the device. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. The strange noise is likely due to a faulty motor, which is located near the center of the unit. To locate it, look for the cylindrical component that is connected to the fan. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the motor, being gentle to avoid causing any damage to surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, remove the screws holding the motor in place. Pay attention to the type of screws used, as they may differ in length. Gently pull the motor out of its housing, using the tweezers if necessary to grip any tight areas. Take your new motor and place it into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the motor in place, and reconnect any cables you previously detached. Once everything is back in position, carefully replace the cover of the Dyson and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, plug your Dyson SV11 back in and turn it on to check if the noise has disappeared. If all is well, you have successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring in the future, make sure to regularly clean the filters and check for any blockages within the device. This will help maintain its performance and extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.